guys, Marianne here with you from Autohaus of Naples, and tonight I'm once again trying to beat the sunset, so I'm going to be fairly quick with you. I have an awesome 1998 Mercedes-Benz 500 SL, and it's finished in a smoke silver with a cream beige leather interior. So you can see we have less than 67,000 miles. I believe it's 66,923. So less than 67,000 miles on the odometer. We did purchase this car and sell it several years ago. However, we took it back in on trade, and we have our beloved back once again. We did put new hydraulics in, a new top in. So the top operation, which I will show you shortly, you'll see that the top is basically in pristine condition. You can tell as well the paint is still basically perfect. The hood is what's under the hood is beautiful. We have a very powerful motor. It's a 5-liter V8 engine, and like I said, it's extremely powerful. And again, I am rushing, so I apologize for the small mistakes, which I will make and make on basically every single video anyhow, so I can't blame it on rushing. The wheels are nice and proper. Like I said, the paint is extremely proper. I know the sun's setting, but I actually think it looks amazing in the sun. Here you can see everything is very nice, well maintained, well taken care of. It is our, I believe, 129 here in the back. This popped open for you. In the trunk, it looks like it was never used. Of course it's been used, but whoever took care of the car, like I said, they really loved it. Here's your windscreen. That's huge. That's worth money right there. A lot of cars don't have those still available. They have to buy them separately. They're torn up. They're not there. They're here. This is here. So again, less than 67,000 miles. The wheels, perfect. Tires, awesome. Top, brand new, along with the hydraulics. I'm just going to get it started up for you. Get the lights on. Okay. Once again, 66,923 miles. And here's your top operation just by pushing the button. And you can see how perfect the top is and how well it puts itself together. I'm gonna fix my seat here and put the top back down. We do the memory seating of 1, 2, and 3 for both the driver and the passenger. Here's the red ET looking button with my finger in the dark. Yes, ET phone home, ET phone home. There you go. All right, so like I said, the most perfect little top operation ever. I just have it in drive here. Like I said, we do have a dark evening here. We work all day in the dealership. It's very difficult to make all of this happen, but we try our best for every one of you to make you comfortable in your purchase, because we do sell worldwide, not just nationwide, but worldwide, and most of our cars are sold with sight unseen. So I get a lot of calls about that, where what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to trust you? Well, yes, that's why we have a lot of our reviews online. You can see that most everybody has had perfect experiences with us and have bought multiple times from us. All of our cars are inspected, and they are also maintained by us. So any questions about this car, please give us a call. It's 239-263-8500. Again, it's 239-263 8500. You can find us on our website, which is autohousenaples.com, and then you can play with us on Snapchat, which is Autohaus Naples, and also on Instagram, Autohaus Naples. So again, just give us a call. My name's Marianne. We definitely have the best of the best. So 239-263-8500, and I will see you guys on the next one.